How to fix Macard Wi-Fi extender not working or blinking blue light after you reset it, step by step in this video. A blinking blue light on your Macard Wi-Fi extender after a reset typically means it's in the setup mode and not yet connected to your main Wi-Fi network. Follow the steps to simply get working on it. What a blinking blue light means. The extender has been reset to factory setting. It's now in WPS mode or setup mode. It's not yet connected to your router. These three could be the reason. Now, using a VPS, WPS, step 1 is plug the extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the blinking blue light. Press the WPS button on your router, usually labeled. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Macard extender. Then the blue light should turn solid once it connects successfully. Move the extender to a location between your router and the area within weak Wi-Fi. If the blue line continues blinking for several minutes, it's likely to fail to connect. You can try the manual step via browser. Connect your device, phone or laptop to the extender's Wi-Fi signal, example Macard extension. Open a browser and go to the link I have showed you in this video. Then log in with your default username password is often admin or check the label on the device to do it. Step 4 is follow the setup wizard. Step 4a is select your home Wi-Fi network, enter your Wi-Fi password. Finish the setup. The blue light should become solid once it's connected. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.